This is not a dream.
Dr. Greens YouTube video of opening some Magic the Gathering booster packs. Right, I have some ones that I've opened previously. I've opened similar ones, but maybe you'll get something different. I have some new ones that I'm unsure what's going to be in there. And I have a special booster pack. Hopefully there's going to be some nice stuff in there. So let's make a start with these. So we have 5 of these ones today, and 3 of the other ones, and 1 special booster pack. So let's open and make a start. See if we have anything good today. Alright, let's go. Standards. See, I still like these arts. I mean, yet again, like I said before, let me know your comments on the new art on those. I mean, you got the standard ones just like this, or you've got the ones they have the box blended in, which I think is rather nice actually. Let's keep going. Oh, there we go. We have a rare jewel color, rather nice. And oh, we have a rare hollow enchantment. And so you still got some of these. I may sell these ones as a bundle. I mean, if anybody's interested, all these cards will, like I said in my last video, I will be selling them on eBay. If there's any requests on what cards you would like before I put them on eBay, please just leave me a comment asking me, or even if you find my Facebook page, just give me a message asking about, oh, he's tough on this one. Oh, asking about the new Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I've opened. And yeah, just give me a heads up on what you would like and what you'll be interested in. And I can either send you some photos if you request them, or any information, but I'm happy to post as bundles. I mean, otherwise the cards are going to be, I don't think they're going to be worth much anyway, as in selling separate. So most of these, the silver ones and the black ones, I'll probably sell as bundles. But the rares and mythics potentially will be getting sent off for grading. All depends on value wise, or I may just sell them as they are. Oh, another rare with a shiny land. There we go. Pretty nice. But yeah, like I said, I will be sorting through all the cards at bit of a later date. But yeah, any requests or anything, just please message me, let me know. Or if there's a fair few of them that you fancy, just send me a message and let me know the name of some of them, well, all of them that you like, so I can put them to the side or send you some more photos. I mean, some of these arts though are pretty nice. Look at that. See, I'm thinking of a new tattoo, and some of these may come in handy on some of my designs that I would like. So you never know. Ooh, a creature. And a copy in there. 2 more left of these green ones. Ooh. And after a while, your fingers start to hurt opening these packets. Yeah, anyone out there that still plays Magic the Gathering, I mean, fair play. It's actually a pretty good game. I mean, I got introduced to it at a bit of a later stage than probably most people have started playing it. But I picked it up pretty quick. Made a pretty mean pack, to be honest, and done some decent damage with it. But yeah, unfortunately, due to certain circumstances, I had to abandon my deck and sell it and move on. Pretty annoyed with that, really. I mean, but didn't have the time, having yet kids and working full time. So didn't really have the time to go out and start playing again. But and then obviously the pain in everybody's neck, the COVID came around as well. So that's kind of stopped everything. I mean, obviously restrictions are a bit more restricted, not restricted now. So people are starting to play again. I mean, never know. Maybe one time when kids are a bit older, I may rekindle my deck again and see what we can come up with. What mythic there? Yeah, right. So that's the end of the greens. I will just move these out of the way just to give me a bit of space. Sorry, this card keeps moving. I should stick it down or something. So I'll move these ones out of the way so we can make room. Right, so we're going to open these now, and we got one special pack at the end. So let's start off with this one. So we can get some good ones out of this. God, it's bloody hard to open. Right, let's go. So yeah, again, like I said before, all these will be up for sale. Yeah, just let me know. I may have to go through them first and find some nice tattoo pictures off of these. But sorry, excuse that beeping. It's just some notifications coming through. Yeah, feel free to please extend and share my videos with former or other Magic the Gathering allies. Ooh, look at that shark. Rawr. So yeah, be sure to share, like and share, and potentially subscribe if you're happy. I mean, every subscriber helps out a lot. I mean, I'm new at doing obviously doing the videos. I mean, I've been on eBay for a couple of years now. Obviously that's gone slow due to COVID, but got to keep on fighting, keep on trying. I mean, we will get there. Oh. So yeah, we just got to keep trying, guys. And some, I will sell these as well. I mean, they're just little counters that you pop out, so we can get them on eBay. I mean, you could probably buy the majority of this in your shops and that. I will look at the prices and sell them according to what it is. But yeah, I mean, like they say, help the little guys. Big business thrives. So we need to help each other out here. standard non-hollow. A dual land. So I do like these tokens as well. Right, and now that was our third pack of those, and now we have this one. Not sure what's in these. Obviously borrowed 15 cards, but like I said, I've never opened these before, so we will find out. Oh, look like it's gonna be a shiny deck pack. Yeah, it looks like these are all gonna be hollows. So if anybody's interested in making a nice hollow deck or substituting for some of your cards that you've already got, if you using any of these, can make some nice additions, show off your deck a bit more. Like a nice little land. But that's strange. You've got a full art. Well, it looks like a full art rare, but it's not. It's not a hollow. Oops. Oh, then we got a hollow rare again. And then we have some non-hollows. This is a full art land. That looks very nice. That is really good. Another hollow. Oh wow, that's nice. Full art hollow rare. And a token, hollow token. I mean, what more could you want for your deck than sprucing it up with some hollows? Right, that's all we have for today on those. So please like, share, and subscribe. Comments are welcome. Any advice on the videos, like any advice that you want to give me that I can make my videos better, will be more than welcome. So thank you again.